Good morning, students. Today I am here to explain some basic information which is related to your part of life. Okay, dear students, do you knowing about the weeks and years? Students, tell me how many days are there in a week? Listen, students, there are 7 days or in a weeks. Listen, tell me one by one. Sunday. Second one, Monday. Third one, Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Okay, once again repeat. Listen, students. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last one is Saturday. Days of the week. Listen, students. First one, Sunday. 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 Second one, Monday. 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 Third one, Tuesday. 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 Next one, Wednesday. 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 Next one, Thursday. 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 And next one, day, Friday. 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 Next one, students, Saturday. 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 Days of the week. Listen, students, once again repeat. Sunday. Sunday. Second one, Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Next one, Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And last one is Saturday. Saturday. Okay, students, once in a week there are 7 days. There are 7 days. Listen, first one is Sunday. Second one is Monday. Next one, Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Days of the week. Listen, there are 7 days or in a week. Okay, students. Okay, students, do you know, students, how many days are in a one's year? How many days are in a one's year? There are 365 days are in a one's year. 365 days. Okay, students, And next one point, how many months are in a one's year? How many months are in a one's year? Listen, there are 12 months in a one's year. 12 months. Listen, 12 months. There are 12 months in a one's year. So, let me know which are those. First one is January, second one February, and third one is March, fourth one April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Listen once again. December, November, October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. Okay, listen, there are 12 months in a one's year. Okay, listen, first one month. January, 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 January. Next one, February, February, February. Third one, March, 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 March. Fourth one, April, 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 April. Next one, May, 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 May. Next one, June. Next one, June, June, June. July, 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 June, June, July, July. August, 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 August. Next one, month, September, 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 September. Next one, month, October, October, October. And next one, November, 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 November. And last one is month, December, December, December. Listen, there are 12 months in a one's year. There are 12 months in a one's year. 365 days are in a one's year. Listen carefully, students. 365 days are in a one's year. 12 months in a one's year. So, listen, once again repeat. See, once again repeat months of the year. Listen, first one, how many months are there in a year? Listen, there are 12 months in a one's year. First one is, so let me know which are those. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a one's year. Listen. January. 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 Second one, February. 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 Next one, March. 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 Okay na? Okay, next one, April. 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 Listen once again, students. April. 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 Next one, May. 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 Next one, June. 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 July. 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 June. Confuse ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. June. June. July. And next one, August. 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 September. 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 August. September. And next one, October. 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 Listen. September. October. Same irutte. Okay na? October. October. Next one is November. 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 Listen. See students. September. October. Next one, November. Okay na? And next last one is December. 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 Listen. Last 3 letters same irutte alva? Ber. November. Ber. Next one, October. Ber. Next one is September. Ber. Okay na? September, October, November, and next last one is December. Okay, students, once again repeat: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay students, last January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Dear students, do you know about the weeks and years? Tell me, how many days are in a week? Listen students, there are 7 days are in a week. There are 7 days are in a week. Tell me one by one. Sunday. Second one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next last one is Saturday. First one is Sunday, second one is Monday, third one is Tuesday, and fourth one is Wednesday, fifth one Thursday, sixth one Friday, and last one is Saturday. There are 7 days are in a week. Listen carefully students. There are 7 days are in a week. Okay. Once again repeat: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last one is Saturday. Okay. Okay, next one point, months of the years. How many months are in a one's year? There are 12 months in a one's year. There are 12 months. There are 12 months. There are 12 months in a one's year. Listen students. January. Next one, February. Next one, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a one's year. You see. Okay. You see students. Sunday. You write down Sunday. 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 Next one, Monday. 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 Third one, Tuesday. 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 Fourth one, Wednesday. 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 Next one, Thursday. 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 And next one, Friday. 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 And next, last one is Saturday. 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 Students, months of the years. Listen. 12 months. First one, January. 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 You write down. Second one, February. 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 Third one, March. 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 Fourth one, April. 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 May. 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 Next one, June. 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 And next one, July. July. August. August. September. 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 And next one, October. October. Next one, November. 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 And last one is December. 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 Okay, students, in this class we learned about days of week and days once year. Okay, we will meet next class with a new topic. Bye, students.